Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. So if your Snapchat has been temporarily banned or disabled, the first thing you have to do is to go to your Play Store app. So on my Play Store app, I just have to make sure that I have the latest version of my Snapchat. So for an Android device, you just have to type in Snapchat on your search option. Now you just have to click on updates and update your Snapchat. Sometimes the reason why Snapchat is being disabled is because it has an old version. The next thing you can do in order to make your Snapchat not to be disabled is going to the storage of your phone. So on my storage, I have to look for app management. On app management, I just have to click on app list, and on my app list I just have to look for Snapchat. So clicking on Snapchat, I just have to make sure that my Snapchat, the storage is okay by clicking on the storage and cache, then clearing my cache and clearing my storage. That way every spam message or any kind of blocked message that is not supposed to be there will be thrown away, will be deleted automatically. Next thing I can do, if after doing that it did not work, is for me to go out from my Snapchat settings and go to my any of the browser of your choice. For this tutorial, I'm going to be making use of Chrome. So on my Chrome, I just have to type in snapchat.com in order to complain to Snapchat customer service. So on your snapchat.com, you just have to click on the three lines found at the top left corner of your screen. The next thing you have to do, click is on your support option. So clicking on your support option, you're going to see different requests here or API. You will have, I lost my Snap Strike, my account is compromised. So that's one you're going to click on my account is compromised. We have other options, but that's what the particular API we are going to be making. Just click on it. So now you can now type in your problem. If you're having, they say there, if you're having trouble accessing your account, please fill out the form. So you just have to type in your request, please. So look at what it says. It says how to know if your account may be compromised or hacked. Your Snapchat account may be compromised or hacked if you notice suspicious behavior, such as 1. Spam sent from your account, 2. An alert that someone logged into your account from a different location, IP address or device, 3. Having to continually relog into the app, new contacts being added to your list without your permission, the mobile number or email address associated with your Snapchat was changed without your consent. If you experience any of the above behavior, change your. So you can see that the only way for be able to handle this issue is for you to change your password if you notice that your account has been temporarily disabled. So in case you try changing your password, and after changing your password it did not work for you, what you're going to do now is to go out from the support team, and the next thing you have to do is to click steadily on your Snapchat app, uninstall and reinstall. If after trying it and it still don't work, I advise you off your phone and reopen it in order to so that your system will reboot and it's going to work. I believe this video was able to guide you on how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell in order to get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.